guys, welcome back. Well, things are going very slow. It's today is May 7th and it's still very cold. Oh, not cold, actually it's still chilly. It's around 14, 15, 6 degrees Celsius outside, but at night it's around 2-3 degrees. So obviously plants will die. They can't resist that low temperature. So I'm delaying plantation. But the good thing is, well, put them in a pot and keep it in warm inside. For now, if you look at the left, the beans are still growing. I don't have any more space. Them, they want to grow, they want to climb, but there's no ladder, there's nothing to climb. The peppers, I think they're going to die. They are about to die. They won't resist this. They are growing pretty slowly this year due to temperature. They need to be outside. This is the bitter melon mixed with another bean here. It seems to stalling. Well, here I have had. These are the plants. What is this thing? Yeah, it's Vietnamese coriander. Last year I bought a small one, and then during winter I kept the plant inside, and it grew nicely. Yeah, I actually harvest a couple times during winter. So this year I don't have to buy out of this. This can grow very easily, very fast. You need that. You can take just a couple branches, put in the water, and after 4 or 5 days, the roots are growing. So you can then just plant them. They grow easily, nicely, and taste great. That I love coriander. If you look in the background here, these are beans, and they grow quite well. In the earlier video, we barely saw any root, any seeds, anything. But today, they've grown very nice, huh? I think maybe in a couple of weeks when we can harvest, we can start cut them off. Yep, there are hundreds and hundreds of them. Yep, and you only need to plant them once, and they will spread, they will expand so quickly. All right, let's go inside. Let me introduce you to my new friends. Yep, I just bought them today. Yep, it's like a forest here. So quickly, these I believe are bok choy. Yep, they grow already tall. Yeah. This one is eggplant. Yep, nice. We have strawberries. Any fruits yet? Nope, nothing. Still small here. Oh, I think one is coming. Yay! One strawberry coming. Look. One strawberry. All right. Next we have lettuce, a mix. What kind of lettuce is this? Let's see the type. It's called mesclun. Oh, okay. Nice. And here we have the malabar spinach, the purple version. Oh, they actually call it red malabar spinach. I see purple, but hey, it's the name. Next one. What is this thing? What is it called? Where's the tag? Aha! It's called Swiss chard. Well, this one here my wife chose. Maybe she's preparing something special. I don't know. Next one, tomato. Is it? Yeah. Is it cherry tomato? We do have cherry tomato. I love these tomatoes. Yummy, juicy. One bite. Oh. And next one, all this celery. First time I plant this, they don't actually. The celery is very cheap. I mean, let's be honest, they don't cost much. You can get the big, maybe 3 or 4 like plants of celeries. It might cost you like $2, $3. But hey, I like to plant them. You know, let's see how it grows. First time try. Let's hope it's gonna be success. Next one we have looks like a bell pepper. What color is this? This is green bell peppers. And this one is a yellow bell pepper. And guess which color next? Oh, get up. This one is... Oh, wait, do I have red bell pepper? Oh, here you go. Red bell pepper. Red one. So this one is... Hey, it's a purple one. Nice. Purple bell pepper. Great. Oh, we also have green malabar spinach. Green one. I love green ones. And finally, oh, I did not forget you here. I did not forget you. What? It's basilic. Basil, yeah. In Francais, we call it basilic. In English, it's basil. Is it basil? It is basil. Thai basil. Yeah. I guess there's many versions of basil. This is Thai version. So yeah, for now, these are the ones that I will plant them in time. Probably in 1 week or 2. So temperature is not really warm right now. We're gonna have to wait. 1 week, maybe 2, but I hope in 1 week. Summer is very short. It's at the end of August. It's cooling down, so let's hope. Oh, one last thing. I bought compost shrimps. They're on sale. Yeah, so why not pack them? I bought like 10 bags of them. Compost shrimp. I love them. Grow pretty well. I used it for a couple years already. Yeah, it's a good price, very good price, and it does the job. I'm not saying it's excellent or anything, but it does the job, and it's a good price. I don't want to pay like $10 for a bag. I don't think it's worth it. I mean, unless you want to sell it, but if you want to grow your own vegetable, don't spend $10, $10 for one bag of compost, or like, you don't need to spend much money. It's good to add some manure, you know, cow or chicken or sheep manure. It's good, but be careful because many plants cannot handle what's called the heat, because manure produce a lot of heat, can burn the plant. So just be careful with that. I take my time growing them steadily. Don't rush. I don't use any specialized product or any bloods. I think they sell kind of like blood special liquid that accelerate the growth of the plant. I don't think that's healthy. I've checked. I've asked many people around. Stick with the base. Stick with compost, or add a little bit of manure. But that's pretty much it. So anyway, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.